Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this Honda Odyssey 2020 and in this video we're gonna do the oil change. So let's get started. Alright guys, the spare parts we're gonna need is this oil filter. This is FRAM brand, the reference is right here, TG7317, and the oil viscosity is 0W20. We're gonna use 6 quarts. As you see here we have 5 and here the 6th one. If you guys want to change as well the air filter, this is the air filter reference 12061, and if you want to change the cabin filter, this is the reference right here, CV11182. Alright, so let's come underneath the car right here. Right here we have the bolt to drain the oil pan. This is A-nut number 17, and right here next to the wheel right here is the oil filter. So get your container ready. As you see here is marked engine oil and is pointing the arrow to the bolt that we just released. Alright guys, so we're gonna take off the oil filter. There you go. Meanwhile, your oil is dripping, we can change the air filter. So to do so, we're just gonna come here and open right here on the sides. One more. Tap this up. As you see, this one is not bad at all, but we're gonna change it anyway because we already bought this one. It's literally the same one. Let's put the new one. Just like this, and insert it like this. There we go. Make sure it sits perfectly, evenly all around. Okay. Make sure to insert those pins on this slot right here, and this side as well. So now you can put back the clamps. First one, the second one, and here on the side goes the third one, and this is it. This is how you change the air filter. Now let's put the oil filter, TG7317. Right here we're gonna clean where the new filter is gonna sit on, just like that. Tighten it as much as you can by hand. That's it. It's clean, and put back the bolt. Okay, that's good. Now I'm gonna tighten. You can knock gently with the hammer on the wrench just to make sure it's tight enough, but be gently. You don't want to damage the thread. Look like this. That's it. Let's put the new oil. Just take off the front lid. You just have to pull it up, and right here we have the oil cap. Right, so I'm improvising a funnel with this bottle. I'll put it. This is it. Now we're just gonna put back the oil cap, as you see. Let's put back the engine lid right here. Right here. Make sure it clicks, and this is it. Alright guys, this is how you replace the engine oil with oil filter and air filter in this Honda Odyssey 2020. So now to reset the maintenance past due, we gotta go to home and we gotta scroll down to maintenance right here. We're gonna click enter, oil life, maintenance past due, and we're gonna hold enter for around 10 seconds. There we go. Let's say item A only. Reset completed. Oil life 100%. Good to go. Let's go back to home and we're good. So let's move on and change the air cabin filter. Alright guys, now cabin air filter. Right here we're gonna open the glove box. We're gonna, and this is strut right here. Just gonna push it There we go. Now what you're gonna do is to squish the glove box on the sides right here. There we go. Just like this from both sides. So you can open the glove box to the filter compartment right here. Now here. Right here. Oh. Now just take off the cabin filter. On the inside it has a lot of dust, as you see. So let's get the new one right here. Right, so right here says the airflow direction. So the blue side goes up. Put it like this. And slide it from the sides all the way in. There we go. Now let's put the cap. There we go. This end and this one is secure as well. Let's put back the glove box. The rod right here on the side. And this is it. Alright guys, and this is how you change the cabin filter in this Honda Odyssey 2020. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always guys, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.